Hey guys, what's up? It's me, the Cuban Bear, and today we're taking a look at the MoYu AoChuang GTSM 5x5. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. If you guys do not already know, I don't really have a good 5x5. The best 5x5 that I had was my lubed Sheng Xiao. We already know how good that was. And so yeah, I'm really excited to get into the packaging. Let me clean up. Alright, so taking a look at the box, it looks pretty nice. We got some nice aesthetics here. I love how magnetic this box is. I know people talk about it all the time, but yeah. You can see I ordered it in black because I personally love black cubes, and this is actually a really nice looking black cube. There's the puzzle right here. Looks good, looks good. Already want to give it a couple of turns. It's actually surprisingly small compared to the other 5x5 that I have, the Sheng Xiao. It feels a little bit small, I don't know why, but let's give it a few turns. Wow. Well, first impressions is that this cube is actually really good. It feels sandy, it feels a little bit dry right now. I just did like a solve, a more casual solve, and the magnets, they help with a lot of the stability and the flexing of the puzzle. Though I do get occasional flips and turns once in a while. I'm not used to using this magnetic 5x5. I'm not really used to any other 5x5 other than the Sheng Xiao. So yeah, definitely way faster than my Sheng Xiao. And I really like the turning. It's very fast. And the more I'm breaking it in and turning it, the faster it seems to be getting. These M slices are awesome though. I really like the M slices. But yeah, this is it's actually pretty fast. Shades are pretty nice. Let's do a quick checkerboard pattern. But yeah, it's really good turning. Honestly, I really enjoy this. I can't wait to set it up and actually explore a little bit on it. This is a relatively short video, guys. But yeah, this is my unboxing on the MoYu AoChuang GTSM. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. It's an awesome cube. Definitely recommend you guys getting this. I'm coming out with a review soon on this puzzle, so be sure to stay tuned for that. It's going to be great. And yeah, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Comment down below what you guys want to see with this 5x5 or any other video below. And I'll see you on the next video. It's the Cuban Bear out. Peace out, guys.